Ever thought of making your own planters? Imagine the satisfaction of watching your plants thrive in containers you've created with your own hands. Well, now is the perfect time to turn that thought into reality. Today, we delve into the world of DIY planters, exploring different types and how you can create them. First off, we have the tire planter. You might see an old tire and think, that's junk. But with a bit of imagination and effort, it can become a beautiful home for your plants. Carefully cut the tire in half. Paint it in your preferred color or even a multitude of colors for a vibrant effect. And there you have it, a tire planter. Next up, we have the wooden crate planter. Wooden crates are versatile and can be found in many shapes and sizes. Paint or varnish the crate to protect it from weathering and to give it an aesthetic touch. Drill some holes at the bottom for drainage, fill it up with soil, and you're ready to plant. For those who love a touch of vintage, how about turning old furniture into planters? An old drawer or a rustic chair can be a fantastic planter. Simply create a cavity in the furniture piece, ensuring proper drainage, and fill it up with soil. It's a great way to repurpose unused items while adding a unique touch to your garden. Now, for a bit of the unusual. Have you ever considered using your old rain boots as planters? Yes, you heard it right. Rain boots can make colorful and funky planters. Just make sure to drill a few holes for drainage, fill them up with soil, and they're ready for planting. Creating your own planters not only adds a personal touch to your garden, but also helps in recycling and repurposing materials that would otherwise end up in the landfill. It's a fun and creative way to contribute to environmental conservation. In summary, DIY planters allow you to add a unique touch to your garden. You can create tire planters, wooden crate planters, furniture planters, and even rain boot planters. All you need is a bit of creativity, some basic tools, and the will to get your hands a little dirty. So why not give it a try? Your garden will thank you, and so will the environment. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So go ahead, make your own planters and watch your garden come to life.